Welcome to Salika Mag. In today's tutorial, you will learn a perfect trouser pants for ladies. I will show you how you can make a perfect shape without any scale, and also I will show you measurement in centimeter and inches as well. So don't skip this video even if you are beginner. This is a step-by-step instruction tutorial, so don't skip and watch the full video. So here I have this fabric that is 37 inches, that is my length, plus I add 5 inches and you can see the width of fabric is 14.5 inches, and you can check the centimeter also on the screen. And this is on 2-fold. This fabric is on 2-fold. So first I just mark the upside 2 inches. I just leave here, and after that I leave on this side, this opening side, half inches. Now I'm going to mark my waistline. For waistline we need our hip measurement, that is 40, and divide by 4 and then add 2 inches for ease. So I get here 12 inches, and also centimeter you can see on this screen. And this 12 by 12 I just make here a box. Now I will add here 2 inches extra or 5 centimeter for the hip line, and I just take here 1 inch a slant line just to make here the curve for the crotch area. So after that I'm just taking here the hemline, and this is first I take here 6 inches, and same way I will take a mark of 6 inches on my this line. Basically this is the half of this line, so this is also 6 inches, and I will mark here a straight line. This line is very important for your perfect fitting trouser and straight trouser. Now on this line first I will mark here the hem line in a way that half of my line is on the left and right side, means 3 inches one side and 3 inches the other. Now I'm taking knee length, that is here 20 inches. This is standard, you can take as it is. And at this point the rest of this line from here to here, just take the half of this line, whatever is your length. And now I'm going to mark the lines for the knee point. So see here I just take this half point. Now you have to increase, like your hemline is 6 inches, now you have to take 7.5 inches total, but 4 inches on the cross side and 3.5 inches on this your open side of the fabric. Same way now in this line you need to add 2.5 inches more, and this is total 9.5 inches line. 4.5 is the cross side and the rest is on your opening side. Hope you understand. And see all the measurement I just write down here. And now it's time to give the shape. Now just give shape according to these lines. Just join these lines, and you can see without any scale our perfect trouser shape is ready. Now it's time to cut, and after that I will show you how you can cut the back part. So for back part, again the opening side of fabric is on my side. Here you have to increase 2 inches extra because our back is always bigger than our front. So I'm just marking here 2 inches or 5 centimeter here extra, and I will join this till here with a slant line. See, like this way. And guys, if you like this tutorial, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See, also here I will increase 2 inches all the way on the cross side till your hemline, but on this opening side I will only mark exactly So now it's time to cut our trouser backside as well, and after that I will show you how you can stitch and how you can stitch the elastic as well. It's a beginner friendly tutorial. So first I take just back side and one front side. So I put it like this way, that right side of the fabric is on the right side, and after that I will stitch this straight line. So don't skip the video, as this is a step-by-step instruction video. So now it's time to stitch this way. Now here you just need to start from crotch until your hemline. So same way you have to prepare the second leg. Now my one leg is on the wrong side and one is on the right side. Now I will insert this right side leg on this way and adjust it properly. Now match the crotch line with the crotch line and pin up it, and pin up the front part with the front and back with the back, and this is something U shape you have to stitch. Now it's time to put the elastic. For elastic usually you take 4 inches less than your waist, and otherwise you can measure around your waist. First I stitch from the center, and then I just mark the center back and the sides on the elastic, so that when I stitch all parts are equal. Now just attach your back side with the back side and front side with the front and sides with the side with the pin, and go to your machine, and while you are stitching just stretch your elastic and then stitch. I know it's a bit tricky for beginners, because at this step sometime your thread will break, so don't go very fast. Just operate your machine in a slow manner, and with practice you will be able to stitch it correctly. So now this part is ready. It's time to stitch the hemline. So guys, if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, so every time I will upload a video you will get a notification, and for that you need to press the bell icon. So I just remove this free arm, and after that I will put my this hemline here, and you can see our perfect fitted trouser is ready. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Take care.